In this video, we will generate AI video using Canva. Like these videos. Open a blank video page. Click on apps. In the search box, search for Magic Media. Click on Magic Media. Here you can select images or graphics or videos. Let's select images and write here some text like a person sitting on the beach and watching the sunset view and birds are flying. Then click on generate images. It will take few seconds to generate images. You can see images were generated. You can add it to the page like this one. We add to the page and right click, set image as background. Now select this image and you can click on replace background. It will replace background with this image. Now let's try for videos. Click on videos tab. In the search box, let's search this text. Two couples sitting in the park and children were playing and other people were eating food and walking here and there. It will take 1 or 2 minutes or might be less than that and generate the video. You can see that video is generated. Right click, set video as background. Now let's generate another video. Like in the video tab, let's search for this text like a model walking on the ramp and the other one cheering. Now when you click on generate video, it will generate video. Again it will take 1 or 2 minutes or might be less than that. You can add new page and you can see video is generated now. When you click on that, it will be added to the third page. And then set video as background. It will be added in the background. Now let's generate another video. Like in the search box, we were searching for, that is, the ball halts and the kitten sniffs the unraveled yarn, then tucks it into a cozy nest and a gentle push of its paw, animation, sniffing and pawing. Now when you click on generate video, it will take 1 or 2 minutes or might be less than that and generate the video. So you can add another page and then click on this video. It will be added to the page. Then right click and set video as background. You can see animated video is generated. Now let's check all these pages and it's working. So this is video on how to generate AI video using Canva. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.